It's a 2019 Fiat 124 Spider. Hold on tight, because you're about to be driven wild with sun-kissed Italian charisma. This is one talented performer on the road and inside the cabin. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, integrated navigation system, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, wireless phone connectivity, and automatic transmission. Automobile explains the Fiat in each of its versions shares with the other car a reassuring balance of ride and handling with a significant degree of compliance going into a tight corner. Fiat, it's all about adventure. Driving is believing. Test drive it today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.